fire. Fire. If you love a stewed anything, especially a brown stew anything, you're definitely going to love Dominican style Pollo Guisado. But this recipe is completely meatless and we're making a tofu guisado, so let's go ahead and get into it. Take 2 blocks of super firm tofu and cut into 1/2 inch pieces thick, and I like to do it in triangles. Next, I'm going to take some Worcestershire sauce and I'm going to deep fry that for about 2 minutes. I'll add in some sofrito and some more Worcestershire sauce, and then we're going to use some Dominican Oregano, some smoked paprika, cumin, black pepper, and kosher salt. Next, we'll add in some red and cubanelle peppers, some red and yellow onion, garlic, olives, and cilantro. We're going to add some vegetable stock because our tofu does not make any juice. And then we're going to add in some hot sauce and a little bit of Sazon and adobo. Give this a nice mix, and then we're going to cover it and sit it to the side for about 45 minutes so it can marinate. In some oil, you're going to take some brown sugar, and then you're going to add in your tofu pieces only and allow that to cook for about 5 minutes. Next, everything that you use to marinate your tofu, you're going to add that to the pan along with some tomato paste and some tomatoes, water, vegan chicken bouillon, and 2 bay leaves. Make sure you cover this and cook this on low heat for about 20 minutes until that liquid is almost gone. Serve it up with some rice, some beans, with an avocado salad, or even some plantains. Serve it up and enjoy. You don't have to be vegan to enjoy this meal. It is budget friendly. And be sure to shop Compare Foods, where you'll find everything that you'll need for this recipe. Baby, I can't wait till you try this recipe out and share with someone who will love this. Ciao.